The Mouse Who Moved Mountains. A short moral story. In a quiet valley, nestled between two enormous mountains, lived a little mouse named Nina. While other animals admired the towering peaks, Nina dreamed of exploring the other side. "It's impossible," said the fox. "You're just a mouse," laughed the eagle. But Nina wasn't discouraged. Each morning, Nina carried a tiny pebble from the base of the mountain and dropped it far away. Day after day, she toiled, rain or shine, never missing a moment. Years passed. Animals came and went, but Nina's mission remained. At first, no one noticed. Then, birds flying overhead saw a dent forming in the mountain. "The mountain is shrinking," they chirped. Curiosity grew. Soon, others joined her, squirrels, rabbits, even the once skeptical fox. What once seemed impossible became a united effort. One bright morning, Nina peeked through and saw sunlight pouring through the last bit of earth. The mountain was no longer a wall, but a doorway to new adventures. Nina had done it. She had moved a mountain. Moral: even the smallest creature can achieve great things with patience, determination, and belief. Consistent efforts over time can accomplish what others believe is impossible. Thank you for watching.